Now it's lesson 12.2, experimental probability and simple events from math of 7th grade. Then you have in page 375 the explore activity. You have to do it by yourself because you have to do the experiment. Then if you finish the answer, then continue to reading 376. In the top there are a purple square, the how to calculating experimental probability, and then we want to see the example 1. Now the example 1 says Martin has a bag of marbles. He removed one marble at random, recorded the color, and then placed it back to the bag. He repeated this process several times and recorded his results in the table. Find the experimental probability of drawing each color. Okay, we have this table. Here is the color, and here we have the frequency. It's going to be red, blue, green, and yellow. Okay, the frequencies is going to be 12, 10, 15, and 13. Okay, now the step 1. To identify the number of trials. Now we have 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 13. If you check, we have to sum the frequencies, and we obtain 50. Okay, remember that the experimental probability is going to be the number of times the event occur divided by the total number of trials. Now we complete here with the probability. Here we have 12. There is the times over the event occur divided by 50 because it's the total number of trials, and we simplify that and we obtain 625. Here we have 10 by 50, it's equal to 1/5, and the next is going to be 50 divided by 50 equal to 3/10, and the last one is 13 divided by 50. This is the probability of each event. Okay, then if you check this answer, then you can answer reflect on page 376 and your turn on page 377. Now we're going to try the example 2. Okay, make your predictions with experimental probability. Okay, a baseball team has a batting average of 0.250 so far this season. This means that the team's plays get hits in 25% of their chances at bat. Use a simulation to predict the number of hits these teams players will have in their next 34 chances at bat. Okay, step 1. Choose a model. Now, the batting average is 0.250. That's equal to 150 divided by 5,000. Then it's going to be 1/4. Okay. Another example to have 1/4. It's a standard deck of cards has 4 suits, hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Since 1/4 of the cards are hearts, you can let hearts represent a hit, diamonds, clubs, and spades and represent no hit. Okay? Now, you check in your book the step 2 to perform the simulation. Then you do a list with the heart, diamond, club, and spades. Then, in step 3, we make a prediction. We count the number of hearts in the simulation. Since there are 11 hearts, then we can predict there is going to be 11 hits and 34 chances at bat. Okay? Now, you continue with answer your turn on page 378 and guided practice on page 378 and independent practice page 379 until problem 10.